Hi there, we have introduced the button step to allow you to design with chat-specific functionality in your chat assistant projects. There is now a standalone button step that you can use in your designs to prompt users with quick replies. This can be found in the user input section of the steps menu and replaces the choice step on all chat assistant projects. When you add a button step, there will be one button visible in your editor by default, and you can add additional buttons by clicking Add Button. Each button should be given a label in the button text input field and is configurable in how it will function. Path will add a port to your button step on Canvas so you can link this step to another part of your flow. In the prototype and test tool, when the button is clicked, it will navigate the user down that path in the flow. Selecting an intent from this drop-down will match that intent when the button is pressed. If you have the path option enabled also, it will still follow the path you have linked. If you do not have the path option enabled, it will navigate the user to any open intent steps that have that intent set. And last but not least, URL. Inputting a URL will open a new tab with that link when the button is clicked. It can be combined with the path or intent option to continue navigating the user through your project. If only the URL is enabled, then the project will end once the URL is opened. Button layout options. You can set how you want your buttons to appear in the prototype and test tool using the options found in the menu, under Buttons Layout. The stacked layout will display your buttons stacked vertically, left aligned in the chat. With the carousel layout, this will display your buttons horizontally, so the user can scroll through them in the chat. This was my 2-minute video to introduce you to the new button step available in all Chat Assistant projects. As always, stay tuned as we have many more new features to share with you.